not waste any time. Our cars are behind us. We're in closed track. You know what this is. Time attack.
So basically we're gonna see whoever gets the fastest time around the track.
That's right. We have my Performante, CYRUS 720s, Marcus's GT2 RS, and Lucas's 488 Pista. Alright, we're gonna have room for one warm-up lap. Once you complete the warm-up lap, you do a hot lap, and that's gonna be your final time. Let's see how they perform, guys. Good luck. Alright.
So Darius is going first.
Yes, sir. Alright, who's coming with me? Alright, let's do it. You guys are timing?
Yep.
Okay. Man. So the finish line starts and stops on the straight, right?
Yeah.
One warm-up round, one hot lap.
Okay.
Alright, let's do it.
Yo, Saya, let's go stand over there. Oh, there goes Darius. So he gets one warm-up round and then he's gonna do the actual thing, and the finish line is right there. It's right here. Once he crosses this line, we're gonna start it. Make sure you guys subscribe right now, it's lit. Go! I started it.
Alright, we're gonna let the tires warm up a little bit. Yeah, we're gonna let the tires warm up a little bit, Ramon. They're cold.
We all have fast cars, so it's really fun for us. Oh, he's at 30 seconds right now. 30 seconds?
Should I get my car ready? I'll go up next.
Yeah, you wanna go up next?
Let's go.
Alright.
Oh, I got a time. Should I show it?
Not yet. You going next?
I'm going next.
Alright.
Go. I'm not nervous, pretty confident. Just all about being safe, you know?
Yeah.
So let's do it.
Yo, how do you think you did?
Well, I ran out of gas, so I know I was definitely pushing it, right?
Really?
Yeah, I hit 154 on the straight. I think that was one of the highest I hit. Honestly, I think I did pretty well.
We're not gonna show you time yet.
Okay, you got it though?
Yeah.
Was it pretty quick?
Yeah, it was quick, yeah.
It was quick. All right. Honestly though, like I lost a little traction. I think the tire pressure is too much. But oh,
Really?
well. Good run.
Good one. Good one.
You ready to go? Yes.
You look cute, right? Yeah.
Let's do it.
Good luck. So he has a practice lap and then he's gonna go. I think it's gonna be Darius' time. Yeah, he might not. Let's see. The most important thing is that we're just having fun. Yeah. That's him.
Right, here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. Timer's going. All right, 30 seconds.
He's moving fast.
He is, right?
I don't know where he's at. I can't tell. Ooh, 109. Like, he's getting nervous because he wants to win. I think he's coming now.
All right, we just passed one. Oh, I don't know yet, right?
Oh, here he comes, here he comes.
All right, we're at 122. Here he comes. Going for the finish line and stop.
Oh, did you hear that pop?
You want to know the score?
No.
All
Screenshot it.
right, I got it. I screenshotted it.
All right, who wants to go next? I could go.
See, guys, I got to show someone so nobody thinks I'm a cheater.
All right.
All right, who do I show? Who knows my score?
Lucas. I don't know your score.
All right, I'm gonna show you
show me.
I'm gonna show you his score. Ready?
Oh, that's close. That's close. Cyrus, how was it, bro?
That was crazy, man. That was crazy. Pretty hectic. A little bit of wheel spin, but hey, it was fun and I was safe.
I'm next.
Yeah, I
I
guess
don't even know
so.
what my keys
A lot
are.
of slipping, man. Really?
Scary. Yeah.
It's probably the tire pressure. That started happening to me too. All right, next up we have my boy Marcus with the GT2 RS. So we're gonna wait till he pulls out, finishes his warm up, and then we're gonna go ahead and time him. Good luck. All right, be safe out there, bro. All right, here comes Marcus. 3, 2, go. Timer started. All right, the timer started. He's going in hot. I've never seen him like this before, Lucas. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and wait. We're approaching 1 minute right now. Safety first, always. 110. Here we go. Here he comes. Oh my gosh. And stop.
No. What?
Yo. Bro, honestly, I don't know my time. It would be really crazy if he beat me by how much that GT2 RS beat the perf on the
Oh my
pavement.
god!
No! What? Yo, just show me, bro. Oh my god! Should we tell the audience that? That's accurate, right? That's like both good drivers, right? Like, and performance of the vehicle. Insane results, guys. Stay tuned, like and subscribe. Whoa. Just turn on your post notifications. That's amazing. Wow. That's some real stats right there. Wow, let's go talk to him, bro. Marcus, crazy results.
Yeah. Wait, don't share it yet.
No, we're gonna show it to you, but not the audience yet, alright? Go ahead and show him mine.
This is Darius' time right here.
Right, that's my time.
And this is your time.
No way.
That's crazy. That's crazy.
That's accurate, bro. Alright, we got the last Italian stallion, Lucas Dobre. Good luck out there, alright, bro?
Yo, look, you gotta bust a center.
Alright, let's do it. Come on, guys. Alright, there goes Lucas. Whoa. 488 Pista.
That's crazy.
That's so fresh. I'm gonna predict Lucas is gonna get 1 minute and 20 seconds.
You think he's gonna get the best time?
122, 120 or 122?
I don't know, right?
120 or 122. If he gets the best time, it'll be very close to what you guys got.
And start. Okay, Lucas is off. Here we go.
Bro, he's moving quick. Yeah.
That's not the tires. The car actually whistles like that. So that's the 488 Pista for you guys. We are approaching 1 minute right now. 59. 1 minute. Come on, Lucas. Oh. What do you get?
No.
What do you get? Oh my gosh.
That was expected.
Close results, man.
Oh my god.
Talk about crazy times and crazy results.
Really? Yeah.
You want to see your time?
Sure.
Ready?
Ooh.
Oh my god. Alright, so we're gonna start off with 4th place. All these times are really close. We got Cyrus with 127.71. Good job, Cyrus. Alright. In 3rd place.
Guy got 118.62.
Oh, dang. Oh. In 2nd place with 118.61.
So literally 0.001.
That's right. 0.01 seconds. Marcus with a GT2 RS.
Second.
Dang. You guys are crazy. And the #1 track king with 118.3 488 Pista, Lucas.
Oh,
let's go!
Most
Dang.
importantly, it was a lot of fun. So
What are the odds?
it was fun. But that was close.
Good job, guys.
That was really close.
Good job. That was honestly a good match. Bro, I can't believe the times were that close. Like, that's just, I need some food, man. I'm out of here. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up.
Subscribe, guys. Subscribe.
Hey. Peace.